What's up, YouTube? Don with the Don Franz Show, and here today for Tesla Tuesday, as this is usually uploaded in the morning. If you're catching this tonight, it's a long weekend. The stock market was closed Monday. I said I'm going to do this one after hours. I want to see what today brought us. What did today bring us? A whole lot more red, but it did get us to that zone I've been telling you guys about, that this is where I want. I did not add any here. I know I added some more on this zone, and yeah, well, you know what happened, right? We sold off. And here we are. So after hours, we got the, oh no, we're not going to be in the S&P because that's the only reason anyone was buying it anyway. And then we continued to sell off. And then today, it was just a nice trend down. There was, well, first of all, it kind of went sideways, and then after hours, we dropped down again. We can actually see some of that action right here. And got a little bit up. We basically bounced out of this zone, tagged that one, and came back down. So, in fact, because of this, I could not escape it. I had a red day today. It's been a while since I've actually had one. I have red positions, usually not red days. Today was pretty red because of my position in Tesla, thanks to probably the S&P 500, not including it yet. That's not like they just wrote this thing off forever. But like I've been telling everybody else, and why I think they didn't join the S&P was they literally just hit the minimum requirements. Hey, here we go. We just hit that. And Tesla has a market cap so big. And look at Tesla just swinging up. Like, hey, what'd you do this month? Oh, I 7x'd my money. How'd you do that? Oh, I just bought Tesla. I bought half my account in Tesla. Yeah, and my account went up 7 times, right? And then it sells off. You're talking about the S&P, right? That is the market attitude and an indicator for a lot of things. Do they want something like this just running, dragging companies up and down with it? Or do they want this to kind of chill out a little bit? So that's personally why I think, you know, maybe that's it. Or maybe it's the tax credits, whatever. Some people say that. It's not real profit because it's tax credits. I'm still going to make fun of you on that one. I don't think that's it. That's just part of Tesla's company. But that being said, some good news we did get, or at least I'm taking as good news. We knew Tesla, Elon said we were going to offer up 5 billion more in shares. We're going to sell them. But much like when a company does this and adds that dilution into the shares, it's a bearish signal because they usually do it right then and there. Elon basically came out and said, hey, you're going to do this, but we'll tell you when, and that's it. Kind of letting all the shareholders know, hey, this is going to happen, but when we say so. And you got it. That's what happens. So inside of 3 days of that, they actually sold and filled all those. So Tesla's got $5 billion added to the books in cash, which is usually fundamentals I don't get into because I don't really care. But as far as the cult following goes, you've been in it this long, you're probably catching on to some of how this stuff works in the fundamental side. I think that's really good news for Elon and the company in Tesla, because now they just have that much more money. Like, how much debt do they have? What, $7 billion? They already had $5 billion on the cash books. Now another $5 billion. Are they going to build more? Tesla's done all of this, by the way, with a factory in California. We just started up China. Now we got, what, Berlin on the way. We got Texas being built. There's a rumor about India in there. Hasn't been confirmed yet. But just imagine what Tesla's about to be doing. It's something I got into it with one of the guys in my mentorship. He wouldn't post the numbers. But if you guys want a fun little assignment, go pull up the annual earnings for 2017, 18, and 19. Watch how much they weren't profitable. In the billions. And then they were only not profitable by, what, 800 million? Now, all the bears love to say they're not profitable. But why don't you look at how fast that gap is closing? That being said, I bring that point up to you guys because I obviously day trade Tesla. Well, I short-term swing trade it, and then I have my investment account, right? So it's kind of hard. I try to cover all the spectrum of everything and everyone. Plenty of moves to the up and downside for Tesla. But are you trading Tesla for the next 5 days, or are you trading Tesla for the next 5 years? I personally am doing both. I'll try to do a better job of explaining that. But when you hear me say I am bearish, or I mean I'm bullish, I'm in this, rain or shine, I'm in this, I'm just going to buy more, that's my investment account. And yeah, I'm loading it up. Every time it drops to these zones, I'm not sad that I bought in this zone and it dropped back down. I'm going to buy when it makes sense. And yeah, I didn't want to buy in this purple zone because it's a good yeah, we bounced, but that wasn't going to hold again. We sold right back off. I do, however, like this level right here that we are currently at. It's a pretty wide zone. We pretty much danced along top of it today. After hours, dropped all the way down, bounced out of that type 2 area. So that's where I did add on. I do like it. And it was after hours. I grabbed more. I saw it dip to like 309. By the time I was able to add anything back on, it was 312. So I can't say I got like just the best dip buy. So tomorrow, I'm thinking even the retail crew's got to be on my side. We're a little oversold here. 4 hour, we're just now touching the oversold mark. Just now kind of getting there. MACD still says it's just fine. We're on the daily. Ugh. Daily, we just got a sell signal now on the MACD. So, you know, if you trade indicators a lot, you know how this works. You just find the one that works for you. So if it doesn't work for you, you know, you just go to the other one before. Like, okay, now it's a buy. So whichever indicator makes you feel better, stick to that one. Right now, without all of this being said, I kind of think we're oversold. I think we're due for a green day. You know, I'd hate to say it's a lower high coming. What's right around the corner, and I'll give you a little bit with Amazon too, because Amazon's almost pulling the same thing this is. This is selling off, and I bet there's a lot of people chomping at the bit that just can't wait. It's a clear downtrend, right? If you're bearish, you're making money. You're finally making money. I've made fun of you enough. Now it's time to pad your pockets a little bit and you make some money. So I'm not actually here to make fun of the bears, because look what you guys got going on right now. A very clear downtrend. If you're bullish, that's what a downtrend looks like. It's just red. Bunch of red. You're losing money. Bears are making money. You're not happy, but look at the big picture. We've made fun of the bears so much on this. We get to be happy all the time. They get to be happy just for a couple days. Let's let them have their moment. That's not sarcasm. So congrats to anybody that was actually short this. I, however, will not short this overnight. That's just too dangerous in my book. And when they say this is the most dangerous stock, swinging this short overnight, yeah, I feel like that's playing with fire. I don't mind shorting this intraday. However, I did not say. Today was mostly sideways. That looks pretty cool, but a lot of that's after hours taking place. Yeah, so that, and then boom, we sold off and getting that little bounce here. I am, however, looking for an oversold bounce right now. Again, to my last point, there, I just get, you get the feeling there's going to be some good news right around the corner, and you're going to watch this get snapped up like a stop hunt from a bank dropping things off. You know, Bezos comes out and announces a stock split. I mean, almost watch what that's going to do. And I don't know, Elon had a weird tweet today. Well, I think it translated, it wasn't in English, but it translated to as war, or at war as at war. I didn't pick up on that one. That one went past me on that one. But I think battery day hype's going to start coming in. Do I think Tesla's going to go below 300? I don't think so tomorrow. It'll probably gap down. That sucks. I think we're going to bounce here, and I'll be watching for some lower highs currently. Maybe a lower high, and once we pull back and make a higher low, we can start to see maybe that's that battery day hype coming in. But that's why, again, I'm not short this, because I just think the hype is right around the corner, and you guys know what Tesla can do once the cult gets out with their pitchforks and their torches. Things get wild, right? Usually they say those red candles are so much bigger than the green. You'll watch Tesla go for a smooth run once any hype gets out there. So I'll end that here. That is your Tesla Tuesday. Tomorrow, I'm kind of thinking we see the dip buy. If you're trading this for the next 5 days, I don't think this is going to be the end-all, be-all, the best dip buy ever. Buy it, trail it if you want. I would still be on the lookout for a lower high. If you're investing in this, I think this looks like a good deal. Add on. And if it drops more, you get to buy more. Dollar cost average. That's what I'm doing in my investment account. So that's it, guys. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Ring the bell so you get all my notifications. You're getting 2 today, I know. And I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up. If you guys want to know anything else, I am a mentor on WeTrade HQ. I have a full-blown options course. If you guys want to learn how to actually trade this with some leverage and actually how to play it safe, or how to make some stupid money. Everything's in the description down below. And I will see you tomorrow. I go live 7 o'clock Central Time. And I will see you guys tomorrow for that live stream. I hope to see you there.